Mayor, ngayon po nababanggit yung proyekto na Monterrasas de Cebu iniuugnay sa pagbabaha, sa malawakang pagbabaha po dyan sa Cebu City. Gumagawa na rin po ba ng initial ng initial investigation or kung may assessment man po kayo, kung may kaugnayan nga yung Monterrasas dito po sa sinasabi ninyo na first time lang naranasan ng Cebu City?
Okay, last week there was this composite team with our Sandro sa city at saka DNR. And DNR, I think, already submitted this report to the news, but right now I haven't received it. So certainly, if there are some, deficiencies that the developer are actually, doing, then what we're going to do is to, force them to follow what's in there.
Force them to follow what's in there. But right now, Mayor, ongoing pa po ba yung project? Dire-diretso lang po ang gawa nila?
Yeah, I think so. The project is still there. It's ongoing.
Pero mukha pong pinahihinto sila ng DENR, Mayor.
Well, in the news, we can see that there is a hold or cease and desist, but I haven't received any notice from them. And I was telling you, right now, I haven't received the document that's coming from them. That's why I'm asking, where is that document already?
Opo, pero Mayor, before po naman kasi ito magsimula, kinakailangan po ng permit galing po sa LGU, no? Ito bang permit na ito, maliban sa building permit, ito ba ay binigyan po ng council's resolution permitting them to construct that particular project in the mountains?
Yeah, well, bago lang akong mayor, 125 days, but I understand itong development started something like somewhere 2008, and there were two cease and desist orders which were issued by the different mayors, and yeah, there were also after that cease and desist, then there was this continuing of the project, and I understand they were able to get that permit already. And now, there's a controversy.
Opo, pero nung kayo po'y konsehal pa sa City Council, kasama ba kayo sa nagbigay dito ng permit at nagkaroon ba kayo ng public hearing dito?
I cannot remember that. The only thing that I can remember is that cease and desist order.
Mga kapatid, brothers and sisters, saan ka pa? Dito na tayo sa totoo. Dito na tayo sa True FM.
Mga kapatid, mag-subscribe and follow po kayo sa social media accounts ng True Network PH. Yan po kami. Hanapin nyo lang True Network PH, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and podcast. Mapa-Apple or Spotify man yan, mahahanap nyo kami. Lahat ng mga napapanood at napapakinggan nyo po sa programa, nasa social media accounts namin yan. So, paano mga kapatid? See you sa social media!